Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my all YouTube family. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are very fit and fine. Today I want to share a very beautiful, very charming, very good looking designs. Very stunning videos of this video. It's all about the newest and charming videos in a good looking designs. Hope so. I really share a very attractive things of this video. It's all about the crochet handbags designs, crochet handbags ideas, are different types of videos, different types of design. You will be also good things, also charming videos. Are easily carry these handbags are used in different pattern for different stylish. Hopefully I have shared with newly videos in a newly charming videos. Keep me attractive and sharing a good things. But also good ideas in a beautiful ideas. You will be ideas. I totally will share with you. And different types of videos, different types of designs. You will be also good things, also attractive videos. I have shared with attractive things, and you will be also good ideas. Keep me attractive and sharing our most elegant videos in elegant design. You will be also attractive videos. I have shared with you. I want to share a very beautiful videos in a beautiful charming looks. So elegant, so gorgeous, just looking at fantastic videos in a charming looks. And different amazing videos. So I requested all of you to subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and hit the button of all notification. Always be sharing a good, more attractive videos and attractive design. Keep me attractive and sharing our most demanding videos in a demanding designs. You will also good things, also attractive designs and different amazing videos. You will be always be things so elegant designs.